Welcome student, Geography Chapter 2 Globe Latitudes and Longitudes. And now we will discuss about part 3 of this chapter. Students, in our previous chapter I told you about main latitudes of the earth, and today we will discuss about longitudes. Longitudes, and I'll tell you how to calculate the time with the help of longitudes. Before telling about longitudes, it is very necessary to recapitulate the concept of latitudes. I told you that these are important latitudes. 0 degree, it is equator, then 20, 30. In this way have we all the latitudes. The thing is that student, if we want to locate any place on the globe, only the latitudes are not enough. Let's see how. Suppose someone will say place A is located at 30° north latitude. So it's a great confusion. Where to locate that place on this 30° north latitude? Here, maybe here, or maybe here. So I hope now you understand that only latitudes are not enough. If we want to mark any place on the globe, it is very necessary we need something more than the latitudes. And that thing, now the concept of longitude comes. Longitudes, the imaginary lines which runs from North Pole to South Pole. These all are longitudes. One more thing I want to mention here. This is 0° latitude. Is it visible to you all? But the latitude 20° latitude is smaller than this. 30° is smaller than 20. Means when we go towards the pole, the size of the latitudes decrease. But in case of longitude, nothing like that. The length of all the longitudes always equal, because all the longitudes start from North Pole and they ends on the South Pole. We have discussed that these all are longitudes, but the main thing is that we have decided that 0° equator is the main latitude. Now the things come, all these are longitudes, so which one is the main longitude? How we can calculate the time or place, or how we can give the degrees to them? Then students, all the countries were agreed to count the longitude with the main longitude, that is known as prime meridian. So the name of main longitude is prime meridian. And this prime meridian longitude value is 0°, and it passes through the Greenwich which is located where the London Observatory is located. So that is the main place. So remember, important 0° longitude is prime meridian. It is located in Greenwich, where the British Observatory is located. Now let's find out how we can calculate time with the help of these longitude. Suppose I have cut the globe and make it flat. Now this is 0° prime meridian, 15° longitude, 30°, 45°. And now students, look one thing. I have put plus sign in eastward direction and I have put minus sign in this direction. Why it is so? It is very clear, because the prime meridian divides the globe into two parts. This part is known as Eastern Hemisphere and that part is known as Western Hemisphere. Now when we calculate the time, the degree 0 to 15, 15 to 20 means we can say 15° is equal to 1 hour. So if 15° equal to 1 hour, then 1 degree is equal to, then 1 hour has 60 minutes. 60 divided by 15 is equal to 4 minutes. So write down this point that when we calculate the time, after each 50 degree there is a difference of 1 hour, and between each degree from 1 degree to 2 degree, 2 to 3 degree, there is the difference of 4 minutes. Now it's clear that when we move to east direction, it is clear that we have to add 1 hour after each 15 degree. In the same way, when we move to west direction, we have to reduce 1 hour in our watch after each 15 degree. Now one more thing comes in our mind. Suppose a place A is located here and a place B is located here on the same longitude. Is there any difference between the time of these two places? No. Why? Because we decide the time by longitude, not by the latitude. These both the places share same longitude, so there will be same time on place A also and at the place B also. Let's do an activity with me. We will find out the time of a place. Suppose the place A is located at 45 degree and a place B here. A place B is located here as 30 degree. And I am giving you the time of 0 meridian. Suppose that is 12 noon. Now let's find out the time of place A as well as place B. So first we will take place A. Before calculating the time, we should know what is the time difference between these longitudes. So students, time difference 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. So if there is 12 o'clock at 0 degree prime meridian, the time on place A will be 12 plus 3 hours, means 3 p.m. Okay. Now come to place B. Because it is in west direction, we have to reduce the time. What's the time difference? -1 minus 2 hours. So if there is 12 noon there, what will be the time here? 12 minus 2 is equal to 10 a.m. Mention it here, 12 a.m. Now let's try to find out the time in country B, which is located on 76 degree east, if the time at Greenwich is 12 noon. For that, the first step is to calculate the time difference. For that, we will divide 76 by 15. So what we will get here? We will get 5 hours with 1 remaining. This 1 remaining is 1 degree. And as I told you earlier, that 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Now the second step is to calculate the actual time. For that, we will add these 5 hours and 4 minutes to 12 noon. And the time at country B will be 5 hours and 4 minutes ahead of the Greenwich. Now there are a few points which you are supposed to remember here. The first one is that every 15 degrees of longitude represents 1 hour, and 1 degree of longitude is equal to 4 minutes. The prime or Greenwich meridian is always at 0 degree. Now let us discuss something about Indian Standard Time, that is known as IST. And students, GMT stands for Greenwich Mean Time. So now let's discuss about Indian Standard Time. Now the question arises that why do we have standard time? And the answer is that India has very large longitudinal extent. The place Dibrugarh in Assam is very far away from the place Dwarika in Gujarat. The time difference between these two places is 1 hour and 45 minutes. But for the citizen of India, it is not feasible for them to change the time in their watch when they move from
east to west or from west to east. To sort out this problem, we have taken 82.5 degree east as an Indian Standard Time. It means the time on this longitude is followed in all over the India. But children, in this world there are some countries have a great longitudinal extent, and so they have adopted more than one standard time. The best example of such country is Russia, because Russia has very long longitudinal extent. That's why Russia is divided into 11 standard time zones. With the help of this example, you can say that the whole world is divided into different time zones. Now come to the point that what is the time difference between IST, means Indian Standard Time, and GMT. So the time difference between these two places is 5 hours and 30 minutes, means when there is 2 p.m. in London, at the same time there will be 7:30 p.m. in India, means we are 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead from Greenwich time. So that's all for today. Thank you.